You searched how to buy shares of TPI Composites Inc. TPI Composites manufactures composite wind turbine blades for the renewable energy sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TPICQ. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TPICQ to find the company listing. Select the result that matches TPI Composites Inc. to open the asset page. On the asset page, you will see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent market activity. Confirm the company name, the NASDAQ listing, and the TPICQ ticker to make sure this is the correct stock. Click the Buy or Trade button to open the order screen. Enter the amount you want to invest and review estimated costs and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit order. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before it confirms the trade. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the eToro example link, check the video description below.